Now this, you guys ready to have a good time tonight? Yeah! All right, is this the Valentine's Day? Yeah! Well, we're going to have a good time, but before we play our first game, we have to warm up, right? We have to warm up our bodies, right? Otherwise, it'll just sort of fall down. That's right, so this is going to be a warm-up song. Warm-up song, this is all you have to do. I want you to follow me. Here we go. Let's just set it out like this. Put your feet. Now adults, you are always encouraged to join in. Especially, show them what you can do. That's what I want to see. All right, ready? We're going to start going side to side. This way, right. Other way. Other side. Oh, no, we're swimming out. Back stroke. Sideways stroke. All right, this is choreography. Here we go. That's the sound of sunshine. Coming down. There you go. That's the sound of sunshine. Coming down. There we go. All right, now we're gonna do our funky walk. Walk out this way. Here we go. Yeah. Other side, other side. All right, here we go. Oh, sunshine. Coming down. Very good. Oh, sunshine. Coming down. Ready? Fast dance, go. Just right. And every single song is a little release and the stereo forward till the sun goes down. And I only want to hear that sound. Here we go. Oh, sunshine. Coming down. Very good. Oh, sunshine. Coming down. All right. With the mom and your dad, let's point to them. When the sun goes down, so you're the one. When the sun goes down, woo!